All right, guys, in 2024, we're going to try and do things a little better. So, we're going to have you download an app onto your phone, and through that app, you'll be able to take a picture of your time card and send it to our email through this app on Thursday evenings when you're done working. So, every Thursday after work, you'll go into this app and take a picture of your time card. It'll be sent to our email, and we can have checks ready for you on Friday morning. This is a tutorial on how to download the app and how to send in your time card. All right, you will start by going to your Google Play or App Store. Once you're in your App Store, you will search for an app called CamScan. This is the app we are going to use to send our timesheets on Thursday night. CamScanner, search, should be the first one to pop up. You'll click install. Once it installs, it'll just ask for your email. Now you're in here, you're going to click the camera. For just sending your own timesheet, you'll pick up your timesheet, try to get the shadow of your phone out of it, and take a picture. It will auto crop this picture for you, which does good most of the time, but if there is a piece of the background in it, you'll just touch a corner and drag it in to remove any of the background, and do the same on any of the corners that have any of the background image. We just want a white timesheet. Then we'll click the arrow button on the bottom right. Okay, this will bring us to the filters. We'll go over to the right to magic color. Just brightens it up so we can see it. And then we will rename this timesheet by clicking the top link that says CamScanner 11/24/2023, and we will rename the timesheet. Once we're done typing the name of the timesheet, we will click done. And then we'll click the check mark on the bottom right to go to the next page. This is where we'll click the bottom center button that says share, and we'll share a PDF, that top option. And we're going to share it as Gmail. If you can't find the app Gmail, scroll all the way to the right and click the three dots that say more and scroll down to Gmail. Once you find Gmail, click that and enter in kjbuilderskc@gmail.com. Once you type that in, you might continue to see this icon with our logo on there, and you can just click that and it'll remember it for you, so you don't have to type it out every time. You'll enter the subject as your name and your timesheet. You can do the same for the body if you want, but it's more important that it's on the subject. And when you're finished, you'll click the top right blue arrow to send your timesheet to our email. And you'll be all done. If you're responsible for entering more than one person's timesheet, we will do this next. Okay, then you'll use the back arrow on the top left to back out of this and get back into the camera. Then you'll click the camera and we will go to batch. It's one to the right. There's a word that says batch next to single, and this lets you do more than one timesheet. So you'll go through the same process of taking a picture of everyone's timesheet, and it'll do an auto crop for you. You'll click continue. Once you've taken a picture of all of them, it will allow you to go back and crop them. Push continue after each picture until you're done. Once you're done, you'll click that image on the bottom right that has numbers adding up. It says 2 right now, but it'll say 3 after you click continue. So once you're done with all of them, you'll click that bottom right image. That will bring you your batch of pictures you've just taken, and you'll be able to crop them in this section. So I see on the second one right there, there looks like a timesheet behind it. That could get confusing with the name, so we'll click the crop button and we'll drag the top down and crop out that timesheet behind it in the photo. and maybe pull the bottom up to get some of the black out. And we'll click the bottom right arrow. If everything looks good, we'll go back and we will rename it by clicking the top link. It'll pull open that box that allows us to rename this. We'll rename the batch and we'll click the Done button. We'll click the bottom right check mark. From here, we will share it, the bottom center button that says share. You'll share PDF. And again, if Gmail doesn't show up for you, you'll just scroll all the way to the right, look for the three dots that say more, and find Gmail. You'll type kjbuilderskc@gmail.com or click the icon. Enter in your subject and send using the top right blue arrow. Once the pop-up says done, we will have received the email and we will be able to enter in the time on Thursday nights. That way checks will be ready for you Friday morning moving into the new year. Hopefully that's easy enough for all of you. If you have any questions, just reach out to me at 816-621-0873.